guys, welcome back to Lisa and Company. Today we are doing a home decor dupe. This challenge belongs to my friend Sonia from Domestic Diva. I will be sure to link her channel down below as well as the playlist for this entire challenge because there's going to be some amazing content. You know it. What are we doing today? Well, my inspiration came from Anthropologie. Everybody loves Anthropologie, and most of us find Anthropologie just a little bit beyond our price range, especially those of us who can do it ourselves. So what am I making? Well, I am making a blanket ladder, and I will pop in an inspiration picture so you can see where I was going with this. What am I using? Well, way before we were all quarantined, I picked up a bunk bed ladder from the Habitat for Humanity Restore, and I knew it would make the perfect blanket ladder. But honey oak, not my thing, not the finish that fits really well in my home. And if you've been watching for a while, you probably have a pretty good idea where we're going with this. So let's get started. I got a whole bunch of stuff we're gonna get done today. So if that sounds like your kind of video and you love all kinds of DIY design and decor, then make sure you hit the subscribe button to know every time we upload a video. Here's my inspiration piece from Anthropologie. Definitely a little bit more organic than I'm doing, but I think you get the idea. I have already gone through and given this a light sand. I had initially planned to do this with a really cool driftwood stain. However, this varnish is thick, so we are going to use the Rust-Oleum chalked paint in my favorite country gray. I have taped off a section here because I am doing it in two different colors, and I'm going to leave a tiny little bit of the wood showing under that tape between the two colors. So you guys, I don't know, you've seen so many of us use this chalked paint. Have you tried it? Do you have a favorite paint that's not this one? I typically stick with the Fusion Mineral Paint and this Rust-Oleum one, and I love them both. Tell me down in the comments, what is your favorite paint for furniture painting or for crafting or DIYing? Remember, this home decor dupe is part of a collaboration created by my friend Sonia over at Domestic Diva. Make sure you hop on over to her channel and check out her DIYs, her thrift flips, and her clean with me videos. This woman is truly amazing. I have no idea where she gets her energy. Next up, I have flipped it over so that I can do a coat of the white. So this is Rust-Oleum in linen white. And again, this paint goes on so good. I'm really enjoying it. I only did what I'm going to call a coat and a half of each color. It wasn't a true second coat. It was more of a touch-up. It's a great consistency and super for painting furniture. Hey YouTube family, tell me if you find it as satisfying to peel back the painter's tape as I do. I just love these moments. And for the win, no bleeding. I am kind of crushing on this little wood detail. I have one of these mini wire wreath forms from Dollar Tree, and we are going to make an accessory for the blanket ladder. So I've gone ahead and sprayed it with a great hammered metal spray paint I picked up at the Restore. The color is called Rosemary, and it's a really attractive shade. I did this because I don't want to overdo it with the greenery, and I don't mind if some of the wire shows through. I'm using some greenery I picked up at Michael's earlier this year. I got a great deal on it. They were on their buy one, get one free. So you've already seen me use the other one in a project this past spring. I am actually hoping that I can split this one big bunch of greenery and make two of these small mini wreaths. I have another project in mind coming up shortly, and I think the two mini wreaths will be perfect for it. So let's see if we can use 3 of each of these little branches to go around this wreath form. Now, I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret here. I don't know what I was thinking. It's been a long week, but for some reason I started with the glue gun, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I persisted for a while trying to get this to stick with hot glue to this teeny tiny little wire form. Now, you guys have seen me make wreaths before. You guys have seen me wire the greenery onto the wreaths before. So yeah, not sure what was going on here today, but well, we tried. Anyway, I came to my senses after messing around with this for a while, and I did break out my paddle of thin green wire, and remarkably, it went so fast after this. So, sometimes let's just go with what J.K. Rowling says. She says we learn more from our failures than our successes. End of story. I'm going with it. I'm kind of loving this little wreath. Unfortunately, I can think of an awful lot of places I could use it. I have this great ribbon left over from the holidays that I actually didn't even open, so we're going to use that to hang it up. Okay, getting started, let's style this ladder. First things first, I absolutely love it. I've got it tucked in here right beside my fireplace. And I have two thin, what I'm going to call summer weight blankets that I'm going to use on it. This gray and cream one I've had for a while from IKEA. And this one is a really beautiful white textured, thin, just throw over your legs one for the summer. So we're going to pop that one up next. And then we're going to put the wreath on. Super loving it. Let's see how it looks. So here's what I did. I took that gray ribbon and I just folded it kind of around, not really making a bow. Really, I just looped it around because the piece I had cut was far too long, and I am using just a Dollar Tree thumbtack to put it on there. I think it adds just the perfect little accessory. I threw on the farmhouse beads that I made earlier this year. These are my Be Happy beads with a beautiful multicolored tassel on the end. I'm kind of loving it. As you can see, I'm a bit of a blanket junkie. I've got a whole basket here, and that pillow, you call it chaos, we call it family. Well, I'm going to say that that's kind of my life, and I'm just fine with that. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll keep your eyes open once life gets back to normal for some great trash to treasures that you can turn into your own super blanket ladder. Thanks for stopping by Lisa & Company. We really appreciate your support. The channel is growing like crazy right now, and Izzy and I couldn't be happier. Check out these other videos. We really hope you enjoy them. Stay safe, everyone. Stay home, and we'll see you next time at Lisa & Company.